That's live.
So it's 7:30 there now. This has got to be the last hole, right?
Well,
Are you
it's
taking a
playoff.
video?
Huh?
Yes, I am. It's a playoff.
No, I mean, they can't. How late can it play?
That's a good girl.
How late can you play? 7:30? And it's gotta be
Scroll over to the puppies, the other puppies, and to Jake.
We're going to have to play tomorrow.
Is he trying to get cinnamon off my hand? Or
He
what?
probably is trying to get cinnamon off your hand.
What's with that paint? Also, what's with that paint?
They like to chew it. It's sweet. They think they're termites.
Hey, buddy.
Big termites. He's like,
7:58 sunset. Oh, it's there.
Indy is really digging this.
he wants that. He's like, he's watching us have fun. He's like, oh, I want to show him. But he's just sitting there. I'm like, oh, what's up with him? Oh,
It is warmer there than it is here.
Oh, yeah.
he's calm.
What's the temperature there?
I don't know, but it looks balmy and delightful.
You're such a good girl.
Don't get
Are you still taking the video?
Want to get out? Get out the ball getting cold out. He wants to come out.
There they go.
I want to get out.
Okay.